look at all these boats, I suddenly feel like I got the urge to buy a boat all of a sudden. And it's really not because of any of these boats. It's a boat I've seen up the ways a little bit. Yeah, those are some boats. Oh yeah, it's a little bit windy today. A little bit windy. Boats. Oh, sounds like a money pit to me. Alright, we're gonna take a little walk up here. I'll show you a boat that I would be kind of interested in, and it's not because I enjoy boating. I really don't. Maybe a little bit, but I don't. There's something else at work here. Well, we came up a little further. There's more boats. I think this is a sailing club, just on the other side of this little harbor here. That's why there's so many sailboats, I think. Sailboats are popular. So it's up here just a little further. It's not that one. Nope, it's not that one. Or that one. Matter of fact, the boat I'm looking at is not even a sailboat. It's up here somewhere. Now, this might surprise some of you, and it probably won't surprise others of you at all. I'm not interested in some big, expensive, fancy boat. There's a little boat over here that is in need of some love. There's that passion of mine that, you know, likes to see things have a second chance, a second life. Look at this poor boat. It's run ashore. It's stuck in the rocks. I don't know if it's been here since a hurricane or what. Yeah, but I mean, it's a fairly sized houseboat. Oh, there's a notice on it. I'm not going to venture over these rocks to try to, could be trespassing and stuff involved. Yeah, I seen it earlier. I didn't notice the broken windows. A couple other things. There's a post broken on the front porch there. I wonder if she still floats though. If you were to get her back out off these rocks and get her in there. Might need some fiberglass work. You know, get her cleaned up and painted. Probably do some electrical work on it, some remodeling. That's oh boy, that back area don't look too healthy. I'm afraid that's that. Yeah, don't look real big compared to these other boats. But boy, you get that thing out on a trailer and get it somewhere to where you can work on it. All of a sudden, that thing's huge. Wonder how many feet. That's got to be about 10, 20, 30. That's 30 plus, maybe 35. Yeah, that's as long as the bounder was. Nice living room, bedroom area in there. You know, the cabin up front. Nice deck on top. Get some lawn chairs up there. I mean, that was like probably a really awesome boat back in the day. It could be again with a lot of love and a lot of money. I don't know. Something like that calls to me. Maybe something a little smaller. Yeah. Not today, but yeah, I feel that hurt when I see something like that. Yeah, a piece of junk. Okay, it calls to me like I need a second life, and somebody fix me up. Right, Bella? Right, girl? See, that would be fun. That'd be fun having a boat, huh? That's probably more than I want to take on. It really is. That'd be fun though. That kind of work is fun. And we're nearly back over to where the coachman is. It's parked over here for a little while. We're at the park. This park has a BMX track for BMX bicycles, a skateboarding area, and dog parks, and a big play area for small children. And that big old marina over there, Marina Park of Titusville. So, he's out and about today, on our way somewhere. I think we are on our way to another campground. Well, we'll probably stop on the way. We might do one night in a Cracker Barrel, but I don't think there's any reservations needed. Where's my keys at? Where we're going? We could just go there today, but somebody says, oh, let's stop in town and do some shopping and eat out, have some stuff before we go to camp. That poor little houseboat. I wonder what that notice said on it. I hope somebody finds it and fixes her up. I might have to go snoop around old boat yards now. Yeah. Oh boy. No, I'm thinking no. Actually, that wouldn't be too unpractical. You know, live right along the Allegheny River. Is not far from back home without the garage. Plenty of boating goes on the Allegheny River, and it might be a lot of fun in the summertime. I am sure there are boat yards around. And we are in Florida. I'm sure there's plenty that get, you know, junk every year. Just from generally worn out or somebody updated, and I mean, I don't know. Westland Marina, Boater's Edge. Oh, there's a little one for sale right now. Yeah. Ooh, there's some boats over there, dry dock. Good morning, birds. Good morning. What are you doing? What are you doing right there? Having breakfast, picking worms and stuff. I guess. Worms, grubs. Okay, somebody talked me out of this whole boat idea. It's just really a bad idea. It is. That's the last thing I need is a boat, right? Yeah, even little boats are, you know, once you get up to them, they're like not so little anymore. There's a marina right over here. I've seen various boats around, various sizes, various conditions. You know, for me to get a boat, it would have to be just, I don't know. It would have to be just that certain like little houseboat. It certainly would not be a sailboat. And well, I've seen better days. It'd have to be something that had living quarters. Cause I don't want like an open bow boat that just to go out fishing and riding around in or skiing. That's, you know, it would have to have a, you know, a bedroom, maybe a little kitchen, you know, a place to hang out and kick back for a while. Yeah, it would need living quarters. Yeah, somebody talked me out of this whole idea. I have a feeling I can do that. I can talk myself out of it. It's really just such a bad idea. Anyway, yeah, unless I like lived in Florida and I could have, you know, leave it docked year round, or somewhere where it's, you know, the climate's such that I can leave it docked year round. Don't want in Pennsylvania have to take it out every fall and store it and care for it, store it properly in the wintertime and get it back out in the spring and take it back down to the docks. It's in and out every year. That's kind of that's a little bit more of a game there. Right? What do you think? That's just a bad idea. It's a bad idea all the way around. Huh? Come on. Go for a ride the car. This is a little bar and grill type place. Restaurant, yeah, bar and grill. It's like a pirate guy hanging there, swinging in the wind a little bit. Kind of an interesting decor. Hut. You know, fish or surf and turf places around here somewhere. Let's go this way. Here's that restaurant over here. They got all these cool murals on the side here. Check out this Buccaneer treasure boat. It's built old style, yeah, like a pirate type ship. But you know, it's a modern. I don't know what you call it. It has the three. They're not pontoons, but it's let me see here. Ooh, look. Oh, that's got a fake. Those pedal cruises. It's got a fake wheel in the back. Yeah, just a bad idea. Hanging around marinas and snooping around at boats. It's just a bad idea. Get it out of your head, Dave. Maybe just a little fun boat. Just something to go out and take a little ride in once in a while. Doesn't cost a whole lot of money. I don't think there's such a thing when it comes to boats. Yeah, maintenance and storage alone, even on little ones, it's a little chunk of change to be considered. Wonder how many of those are for sale. All right, we made it to the Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel. There's Marcia's van and Russ's rig. Man, this is Cracker Barrel sure is already friendly. There's a rig, there's a van, there's a motorhome, there's a Class C, there's a fifth wheel, a Class A, two Class A's, another Class C, oh yeah, Jeff and Aj is down at that end, and there's other ones around the other side. There are plenty of RVs around here. So I'm getting ready to get something to eat, and everybody else went in Cracker Barrel to eat tonight. I'm not going to. Shame on me, right? I'm gonna make some burgers. Even wearing my Burger King, I'm wearing my crown for making burgers. Somebody said in recent comments I should make more cooking segments. Well, this isn't going to be a lengthy one, but I'll just show you what burgers. Okay, I'll take the silly thing off for now. Okay, I just got a couple burgers in the cast iron skillet. Some buns that need to get used up, cheddar cheese, lettuce. Oh, I got some bacon, some leftover bacon, and some grape tomatoes. Just gonna throw all this together real quick. I make burgers a little differently than I used to. I'll add a couple little quick tips here. I used to think things would go in a very particular order on a bun. You know, the burger, the cheese, the lettuce, tomato, onion, and toppings. You know, that was just the way a burger was built. Then it occurred to me one day, if I put the cheese down first, you still have a hot patty, okay, on cheese, melting it, but it helps protect the bun from getting so soggy from the burger. You put it directly on bread, it tends to absorb it and make the bun soggy. So that's my solution, is going cheese, then meat, and then the rest. That's the only tip I have here. Okay, burgers on the cheese. So then I build the rest of it. I'll get some bacon on here. We'll put a bunch of, I'll get a bunch. We'll get a bunch of bacon on there. How's that? Is that a nice little pile of bacon on there? I think I'll probably actually cut some of that beef patty off and some bacon, chop it up real small, throw it on Bella's dish. She'll get a little taste this evening. There they are, all built. Them grape tomatoes. I think I'm out of macaroni salad or anything. I think maybe a little pile of cottage cheese maybe as a side will go good with that. Maybe a hard-boiled egg. And I think that's gonna do it. I think that'll get the job done right there. It's gonna work for me.